Hello, today we're going to talk about if you have enough homeowners insurance coverage to cover your primary or secondary home in the event of a disaster. Let's get started. Hi everyone, Julie Abel here with the Abel team, Keller Williams Realty in beautiful Estes Park, Colorado. Recently, our community experienced a number of wildfire evacuations. From this experience, many friends and clients started asking themselves, do I even have enough insurance coverage? Should my home be involved with a natural disaster? So in this video, I want to give you a few tricks to work through to make sure you have enough coverage. Tip number 1. Once a year, you should take time to review your homeowner's policy. Now, we become a little complacent in this year over year, but sometimes when you experience a natural disaster like we did in Estes Park and the surrounding communities, it brings it top of mind again. So my first tip is just make sure you take that time, mark it on your calendar, January, February, review your policy to make sure that you have enough coverage. Tip number 2, you want to make sure that you have replacement cost coverage. Now, what that simply means is you want to make sure you have enough insurance to cover if you have to completely rebuild your house today and what the actual cost that would be to rebuild or replace your home. So what we found in the fire evacuations this last time in our community, people didn't have enough coverage. They had bought their homes 20 years ago, and so insurance year to year didn't increase with the actual value of the home. Another thing you want to consider with this tip number 2 is any exterior improvements you've made to your house. So if you've added barns or outbuildings, you'll also want to consider that in your overall replacement coverage costs for the home. Tip number 4, you will want to make sure you itemize all of the items in your home. And this may seem tedious, but in the long run, it is a great thing to be able to give your adjuster should you have a claim. So one thing I recommend that you do is just go room to room with a video camera, open up the drawers, make sure you're getting an account of everything that you own. You also want to take into consideration more people are working from home and have more media equipment available to them. These things tend to add up, so don't undervalue. What you need to look at is what would it cost you to replace those items today. So there you have it. Those are my 4 tips to make sure that you have enough insurance to cover your home should you be involved in a natural disaster. I pray that that is something you never ever have to experience, but if you do, that you are well prepared for that situation. Hope this video has been helpful for you. If you've got any questions about the real estate market in Estes Park, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team wants to be a resource for you. Also, be sure to check out other videos that we have on buying and selling homes in Estes Park. Have a great day. Bye.